Finding high-quality images for web design is crucial for creating visually appealing websites. Here are several methods to source the best images. Stock image websites. Use stock photo websites that offer free and paid images. Some popular sources include Unsplash, Pexels, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. These platforms allow you to search for specific images to match your design needs. Create custom images. If you want unique visuals, consider creating your own images using a camera or graphic design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. This ensures originality and custom branding. Use free image libraries. In addition to stock sites, there are free image libraries like Pixabay or Freepik. These sites offer free images for commercial use but still maintain high standards. Edit images with design tools. After sourcing images, use design tools like Photoshop or Figma to crop, adjust, or enhance images to fit your layout. This ensures they blend seamlessly into your design. Ensure proper licensing. Always check the licensing of any image to ensure you have the right to use it commercially. Most stock websites provide clear licensing guidelines.